What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We have got the Galaxy S26 Ultra here, S25 Ultra and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We have got some important updates received for all these Galaxy phones, and not just the Ultra series, even the regular Galaxy S26 series, S25 series, S24 series, as well as some of the mid-range phones would have got the update. Now I'm talking about some of the application updates which are available for the Galaxy S25 series and S24 series here, and the all-new One UI 9 beta, which is beta 6 for the Galaxy S26 series here. First, let's check out the update for the Galaxy S26 series. Let's go to the settings, tap on software updates and tap on check for updates. You can see we have got the brand new One UI 9 beta version for the Galaxy S26 series, which was much needed. And let's hope that this is the last beta we are talking about here. Let's hope the next update will be the stable version. We keep saying that, but Samsung keeps pushing these beta versions on the Galaxy S26 series. Let's go ahead and check out the information here. We have got the latest August security patch for the Galaxy S26 series. This is the first device to get the August patch, and we'll also check if you have got the Google Play System update. You can see the version number ends with ZZHE and the Android version is 17, 5th August security patch. And in the change log, we don't see any new features mentioned here. We will have to update it and explore it and see if there is any new features here. There are some important bugs which have been fixed. Improved display error of the Now Brief widget, improved display error of home screen, improved issues where a display error occurs for camera widget in specific paths, improved issue where images are saved differently at specific focal lengths when shooting with expert raw 24 megapixel option. Now these are some of the improvements here. Like I said, there is no new changes mentioned here. Let's hope Samsung has added something here. I will explore this and come back to you guys. Let's go ahead and restart the device and install this update. I have already downloaded it. We are going to install it. Now, while this is getting installed, let me talk about the new update that we have received for the Galaxy S25 series here. Let's check this out. Let's go to the Galaxy Store, tap on updates. You can see there are 3 important application updates here for group sharing, customization service, and automatic verification. Now, automatic verification is very important. This is an important update here. You can see the latest version is 1.1.5.0. What this does is the automatic verification feature prevents websites from using data collected during user authentication process to track your activities. You can use automatic verification to skip the captcha step on websites. This feature only works on websites that support automatic verification. And the feature is available on Galaxy devices running on One UI 7.0 or higher. It's an important update. Do go ahead and update this particular application on your device. You might not see this as an application on the system, but it will be available within the system. And apart from this, we also have customization service update and a group sharing update. Likewise, we also have the updates for the Galaxy S24 series here. I've got a big list of updates here. Probably you would have got these updates a few days ago as well. You can see group sharing, personal intelligence, customization service, Samsung on-device resources. These arrived a few days ago. Customization service is a recent update, and watch manager. And you can also see automatic verification here. This is available on the S25 series as well, which we just saw. And Wonderland, this is something which we already discussed today in my previous video, where they have fixed the 3D effect application, etc. So that is available for the S24 series as well. And we also have One Hand Operation Plus update, which arrived a few days ago. So all these updates are available on the 2-year-old Galaxy phones, which is good to see. Samsung is pushing all these application updates for the older devices as well. So do go ahead and update all of them. Now, what we'll do is we will check out the Galaxy S26 Ultra and see if we have got the Google Play System update. Now, I will have to give a couple of minutes for the phone to settle down. And then we will test the performance as well. So far, the One UI 9 Beta 5 has been good. I did not face any major issues. In fact, not even minor issues. The phone has been pretty smooth. Battery performance has been good, and no glitches, no software issues, no stutters or lags so far, and even the animation is pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and check out if you have got the Google Play System update. Let's go to settings. That stutter you saw is because of the restart which just happened. In fact, Samsung has already fixed the stutters on the notification panel on the One UI 9, so it should work better. Now let's go to the security and privacy. Let's see if we already have the latest Google Play System update here. It is not showing up here specifically for the One UI 9 beta. So what we will do is we'll go to software information page on About Phone, and here let's tap on Google Play System update. You can see it still shows July. Looks like Samsung is blocking the Google Play system update maybe for now. But let's see, let's wait and see if we get the August Google Play system on this device. Now let's go back here. Now let's open a few applications and see how the device is performing. Let's close all the applications running in the background. Let's start with the phone dialer, calculator, gallery, camera application, clock, calendar. Let's go to the recents. You see, it's very, very smooth without any stutters or issues. Let's try the quick panel now. Look at that. No issues at all on the quick panel, notification panel here. And it looks like the priority notifications are working better now on the S26 series on One UI 9 specifically. I do see some of the important notifications mentioned as priority notification right on top, which is good. Now let's close all the notifications here, and it seems to be working fine. So far so good, no issues on the device, and let's really hope that this is going to be the final beta. I keep saying this with every 5th or 6th beta, but it never happens. You never know, Samsung might release another 1 or 2 betas and then we get the stable version. Anyway, so this is something which I wanted to share with you guys. Go ahead, install all the application updates on your Galaxy phones, including your predecessors, and the One UI 9 update for the Galaxy S26 series. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. Hope you have already installed our Volvus wallpaper application. There are some amazing collections and video wallpapers, desktop wallpapers, you name it, everything is available. It's a pure wallpaper application. Do check it out. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.